Dealing with the Musicmaker-de module DLL error in Magix app. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's look at the engineering steps I've prepared to fix it. While we explore the technical guide for Musicmaker-de module, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This is the Musicmaker-de module, a localized German DE resource module for the Magix Music Maker application. It houses the translated string tables, localized menu templates, and German-specific UI assets for the localized installation. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Missing Musicmaker-de module DLL data often points to a failed patch within the Magix integration, and reinstalling the latest version of the program where you saw the error will automatically replace the corrupted library. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Musicmaker-de module file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3. And if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type loctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and re-establishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. It is critical to avoid the manual installation of Musicmaker-de module DLL unless you are following a verified engineering protocol, as a single directory error can prevent your OS from booting and result in significant data loss. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. Review options for improving responsiveness and system safety by consulting the repair resource linked below for Musicmaker-de module. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved Musicmaker-de module workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.